Anyway, look how much snow we've gotten. So this is just the first storm. It's supposed to keep snowing until Tuesday, I think. And Raynor just loves it. He just keeps playing and playing and playing in the snow. Alright, let me see if I can get down to the bottom. Okay, here's the grass. Here's against my foot. So, at least at least a foot already, as you can tell. It's almost as large as he is. Anyway, love you, Mom, and happy early Thanksgiving. And I hope to see you in, what, 2 weeks? Okay, love you, bye. And Raynor says bye too.